Welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to talk to you tonight about the new course that we launched tonight. It's called How to Trade the Two-Step Scalping Futures, Equities, and Options. Yes, you can scalp on any instrument that you want, any indice that you have, whether it be equities, futures, forex, whatever you want to do. You can use this strategy on any of them. You can trade your options with it. Just whatever it is that you're doing, you can do. It's the same strategy on everything, and it works very, very well. So the way this one works is it is $4.99 is our total cost on it as of this moment. The prices may change according to when this video is actually watched. The current price is $4.99. It works really well, and it is really what I use to scalp. And I'm going to show you just one scalp. This is going on live now. This was not a live trade. I did not take it, and the reason I never is because I wasn't here to watch it. So if this would have been here, as far as if I would have been here and entered a trade, I would have entered here. I'd had a profit there, a profit there, a profit there, and then I'd had a runner that took profit there. Now, I won't go into the details of how that's going to happen. That's in the course. I teach every bit of this. I teach how we got our zones, why we took the trade there. And this one right here, this one trade would have been $800. Your entry would have been at $641, and your exit would have been actually your exit would have been at $653. So this is about 12 minutes before for this trade to actually take place. We've got another one that actually would have done well, and this one's in the course. I left the numbers on there. Let's see if we can find it right there. So this one would have happened as well. Now on this one, I have not got the total up, but let's total it up together. 160 plus 235 plus 325 plus 485. So that one would have been $1,205 for this trade. That's what you would have made if you had got in there based on the two-step. So as you can tell, it's different places that your entries will be. It's very simple to follow. It works on shorts. It works on longs. And if we look back at our 5-minute chart, we can see we've got different zones in here. And zones are something we don't always talk about. But I'm going to show you how it would look if we did like 60 days on this. And then we go back in, we can see that the zones actually work really well. See how it's hitting? It's doing very, very well. All through here, it's coming down. But I show how to put these on the chart. They're very easy. A lot of people will actually try to draw zones out manually. And I have just an easy way to do it. It hits almost every time. It does very, very well. And so you don't have to know how to draw out a zone in order to get it as far as manually drawing them. But I teach how to get those on there. Now, it's important because you're going to be trading zone to zone. That's what you're going to be doing. Now, this zone down here, we didn't have any extras that we had put down here, but that would have hit the zone right on it. So I teach how to draw those. I also teach how to know where it's going to pull back to. So like if you had this one here, we need to know when this started coming down, we need to know these little pullbacks. Where is it going to go to? And I teach that in the course as far as how to know where it's going to pull back. If you know where it's going to pull back to, then you can make more money. Like, with my course, it would teach you that this wick right here would have actually hit the area that we needed. And that would have been one of your signals. So knowing where the candles are going is more important than anything. Once you know where they're going, then you can learn how to trade them. And we teach all that in there. If you sign up today, get started. It usually takes about 1 day to get through the course. It is a lifetime course. So once you get the course bought, you can go back and you can keep on watching it. So whenever you go back and watch it, it's a lifetime, like I said. You can get in there and do very well with it. I think that this course, once you get through this course, I don't think you'll need any other courses as far as for scalping. Now, if you know how to trade options and stuff, you won't need any other further training. But if you don't know how to trade options, we have courses for that as well. You get ready to make another one on debit or credit spreads, doing 0 days to expiration. So I'm getting ready to post that one. That's a really good one. You trade it 3 times a week. It works really well. So keep an eye out on that. But this one right here, this is an actual trade that would have happened if you had been watching it. This is a manual trading strategy. This is not a bot. It is manual trading. So if you're looking to manually trade, I teach you how to do your alerts and so forth in order to know, when it's coming and so forth. So that should help you out really well. If you have any questions about this, send me a message. You can either email me off of the website. There's a contact form on there. You can email me. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about if you need to talk on the phone about some different things. I'd be more than happy to help you. We also have indicators on our website. We have SpyBot, which is an auto trading bot. It works really well as well. And I use mainly the mover bots, mainly what I use on it. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I look forward to talking to you and working with you and join our team.